In the meadows where the sun shines bright, a little dairy farm, what a beautiful sight. Cows grazing on the grass, so pure and green, living their lives in the sweetest scene. Morning dew on the leaves, the air so fresh, these cows are treated with the kindest caress. They roam freely, oh, they're living so wild, producing milk that'll make you smile. Natural milk, oh, it's the cream of the crop, from a natural dairy farm where the love won't stop. Catching dreams in every glass, so smooth and sweet. Raise it up, let's drink to the natural treat.
Natural milk produced at our dairy farm is pure and essential for the health, growth, and well-being of your children. Help grow your children stronger. Always buy pure and quality milk of natural dairy farms. Natural dairies, a sign of trust.